Primetime news this evening. Unruly defamation, dancehall artist Popcorn files lawsuit against JCF after statement alleging criminal history in Barbados. Cops blamed for court delay in negligence case where children died in house fire. And boys lagging behind girls in math and language arts, the findings of the 2022 PEP results.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the financial week, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the new road traffic regulations? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.